Hello everyone, in this video I will show you that how can you enable UPI Lite in Paytm. First of all, open Paytm. Here click on your profile on top left corner. Now scroll down and go to UPI and Paytm settings. Now scroll down and there is an option of UPI Lite. Click on that option. Now you have to select your bank account. Some bank accounts do not support UPI Lite, but my bank supports it. So I will select my account and then click on next. Now I have to add some amount to UPI Lite balance. So I will enter the amount and then click on add money to UPI Lite. Now I have to enter my UPI pin. Now my UPI Lite is enabled. If I go to balance and history, then there is 50 rupees in my UPI Lite and I can pay these rupees without any password. And this is how you can enable UPI Lite in your Paytm account. Thank you everyone.